Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a Dolly Zoom in effect using Capcut Mobile. So first you need to insert a video that has a zoom out like this. As you can see, this video I already edited it before, and as you can see, this one is a zoom out video like this. And now how do we to add a zoom in effect onto this clip? It's just by, wait for a moment, let me adjust the size of the clip like this. Okay, and how to add a zoom in effect onto this clip that has already zoomed out onto Capcut Mobile is just by clicking this keyframe, this button. Okay, you just need to click this keyframe button side here. That was tools that used to make maybe like a pinpoint, like that, pinpoint when do we start off the editing, like that, of the editing effect, or maybe you're changing the position. You can just click this keyframe and it will show you a result. And yeah, it will be much more look interesting when you're adding a keyframe onto your editing. So let's go to the tutorial how do we to adding it. Okay, so first on this clip, this one, I will try to put the first keyframe onto this 4-second, this one. Click it, adding a keyframe, and then swipe, play the video again, this one, and then adding a keyframe. And now you need to zoom in the clip like this, as you can see. And as you can see, this one, yep. And after that, let the video playing again, and on the ending of the clip, this one, you can, or maybe this one, I will try to make it much more look interesting. Okay, click a keyframe again, adding a new clip keyframe, and then zoom in the clips like this. And after you finish, now let's see the result, and your video will be look like this. As you can see, there's no zoom out on this video, but it's on a zoom in effect. And yep, that's the way how to make a Dolly zoom in effect on your Capcut Mobile for your video editing just from your phones. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.